Good morning to all. I am Subramaniam, working as assistant professor in automobile department in SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the fuel injection system in CNG vehicles. So, fuel injection system in the compressed natural gas, that is CNG vehicles, are critical component responsible for delivering the right amount of the fuel to the engine's combustion chamber. So, CNG fuel injection system are similar in function to those in gasoline or diesel vehicles, but are specially designed to handle the unique properties of a natural gas. There are some of the key points of the CNG fuel injection systems. They are CNG fuel tank, pressure regulator, fuel injectors, and engine control unit, we shortly say as ECU, fuel rail, air fuel mixture, sensors. Now we will see each one by one in a briefly. CNG fuel tank. It stores the compressed natural gas at high pressure, usually between 200 to 250 bar. And next is the pressure regulator. Reduces the high pressure of the stored gas to a lower, more manageable pressure suitable for the injection into the engine. And next is the fuel injectors. These components are responsible for delivering the CNG into the engine's intake manifold or directly into a combustion chamber. The injectors are controlled by ECU, that is engine control unit, to ensure the precise number of amount of the fuel is delivered based on the engine's requirements. And next is the engine control unit. The engine control unit, in short form says ECU, is a crucial part of the fuel injection system as it monitors various parameters such as engine speed, load temperature, and oxygen levels in the exhaust, and controls the timing of the amount of the fuel injected into the optimize the performance and emissions. And next is the fuel rail. This is a common rail that supplies CNG to all the injectors in a multi-cylinder engine. Air fuel mixture, we see. In some CNG systems, an air fuel mixture is used to blend the CNG with the incoming air before it enters the combustion chamber. This ensures a homogeneous air fuel mixture, which is vital for the efficient combustion. And finally comes the sensors. Various sensors monitor the parameters like air pressure, fuel pressure, oxygen level in the exhaust, and the engine temperature. The data from these sensors are usually recorded by the ECU to adjust the fuel injection parameters. Now let's see the working principle of the fuel injection system in the CNG vehicles. In the working principle, you see fuel delivery, fuel injection, combustion, emission control. These are the four strokes we see about the fuel delivery now. Fuel delivery, the CNG stored in the tank or at high pressure is regulated downward at a lower pressure by the pressure regulator. The lower pressure gas is then supplied to the fuel injector via the fuel rail. And the fuel injection. The electronic control unit controls the opening and closing of the fuel injectors based on the engine's operating conditions. The injectors spray the gas into the intake manifold or directly into the combustion chamber where it mixes with the air. The air fuel mixture is ignited by the spark plug in the combustion chamber, producing power to drive the engine. And finally comes the emission control. The ECU continuously monitors the exhaust gas via an oxygen sensors and adjusts the air fuel ratio to ensure the optimal combustion, reduce the harmful emissions. Its advantages of the CNG fuel injection systems are environmental benefits, cost effective, and engine longevity. With this, we come to the end of this session. We will see the next session also. Thank you for watching.